Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to do J-Hope's solo album Jack in the Box inspired nail art. So I'm starting off my manicure with base coat to protect my natural nails. On my pinky fingernail, I'm applying white nail polish. Over white polish, I'm going to stamp this image. I'm matching this image with Hobie's suit which one he was wearing on the album cover. I have filled up those boxes with black polish off camera, then I have stamped the image on my pinky nail and then cleaned the edges. On my ring fingernail I have applied turquoise nail polish, and over turquoise polish I drew Jack from the box with a berry pink polish. And over pink doll I drew another doll with black color to give it a sketchy overlap look. On my index and middle fingernail I have applied red polish and grass green polish, and then I drew crisscross over red and green polish. On my thumb I have applied black nail polish. In here I am going to draw album's logo. I had to do it off camera because of the camera angle. It was really hard for me to do it on camera. So what I did to draw the logo is that at first I outlined the image with white acrylic paint, and then I filled up the image to highlight it. Then I filled up the image with turquoise polish, and then I drew another white box inside it. And inside the white box I drew J with black acrylic paint. J means Jack in the Box, J means J-Hope, J means Jannat, J is everything. I wrote only J in here because my nails are really tiny and it's really hard to write Jack in the Box on my tiny nails. And finally, I'm finishing off my manicure with glossy top coat to give my manicure a glossy and shiny look and make it long lasting. So that's all about my today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share my video with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss any upload. See you in my next video. Bye bye.